Hello guys, if you want to start doing surveys, if you want to start doing remote jobs, you might want to pay attention here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy proxies and how you can set them up on your system. All right, there are different websites that sell proxies, different prices. I'm going to be showing you an affordable platform where you can buy proxies and how you can set them up on your system. So just go to proxyuniverse.org. So when the website opens, just click on get started, and we're going to be using 9 proxy for this. All right, so just click on that 9 proxy, and I'm going to show you the packages they have. The good thing about this website is you can buy as small as 10 IPs. That is less than $1. That is 80 cents. You might not see this on other websites. That's a good part of this website. All right, you can buy 25 IPs, 50 IPs, and like that. There are some websites that you can buy lower than 200 IPs. All right, but for this website, you can buy as little as 10 IPs. So in order to buy, you have to sign in. If you don't have an account with Proxy Sale, you can register. So sign in and top up some money. So you click on that plus icon up there, and then you refill your balance. For me, I'm going to just put $7, and I'm going to use crypto. You can use any other option that you are okay with. All right. So once it opens like this, I'm going to select the currency I want to use to make payments. I'm going to send USDT. So I'll select USDT, and then the network of the USDT I want to send, I'm going to go with BSC. So proceed to payment. So it's going to provide this wallet address, which I will copy and go and send the $7 to. So I've copied it. So let me open my wallet, my crypto wallet. You can use any wallet of your choice. Just ensure that you're sending the right crypto. All right. So I clicked withdraw, and then I'll click on chain withdrawal. Then I'll select the USDT I want to send. Remember the wallet address, I'll paste it here. And then the network, I'm going to send the BSC I selected over there. Then how much am I sending? I'm supposed to send $7. So, but if I enter $7 here and they remove their charges, I'll be left with 6.5. So I'll send 7.5 so that 7 can get to the destination. Then I'll proceed to withdraw. All right, so I'll just do that and then head back to Proxy Sale, and you can see payment is paid, and that's my $7 up there. So after doing that, come back here, and then all right, you can see my $7 there. So select 9 proxy, and for me, I'm just going to buy, let's say 100. Yeah, 100 is $6. So 100 IPs. Then I'll click on buy. So it's going to process, and that's it. Yeah, so we have purchased it. So what will be given to you is this product code. This is my own product code. So I'll copy the code, then I'll show you the instructions below. So I'll go to this website here to redeem my proxies with the code they just gave me. All right, so let's open the website. So this is the page to redeem. So just paste your code here to redeem your proxies which you purchased. I'll click on redeem code, and that is it. You can see congratulations. So I'll just click done, and that is our proxies right there. So you are going to install 9 proxies on your system and open it so we can set it up. So you have to log in your account, your 9 proxy account. So click on this proxy list. Okay, so then you come to proxy list here, and then under the country, depends on the country you want to connect to. For me, I want to connect to US. So I'm just going to select US and then click apply. Then under the states, I'm going to choose any state I want to be connected to. So under the state, you select it and choose the state you want to be connected to. For me, I will choose Alaska. Then that's it. And then you pay attention to the ping. Go for something less than 50. The lowest, the better. All right, so I'll go for this 60 milliseconds. So right click on it, go to forward to port, and then choose any free port. For me, let me use this 6001. So after forwarding it, go to the left corner here and go to forwarding list. All right, you have already forwarded, so go to forwarding list. So this second one is what I just did now. That's what we just forwarded. You can see 6001. So you can copy right away, but I like to always test. So click on those three dots and click on proxy check. So start testing. I want to check if the proxy is good. You can see it passed. So that's it. So close this and then go and copy the proxy details. So you can see copy icon there. Just type on copy. So we have copied it. So after that, open your anti-detect browser. For me, I'm using more login. So you can use more login, is good. So open it and then create new profile. Of course, you have to register on this platform. It's free. Okay, so after that, come to advanced create. You can give it a name, a profile name. It could be anything, So and ensure it's under browser. You are working on that browser, and then scroll down to where you're going to paste the what's it called, the proxies you just copied. You can see new proxy. Tap on new proxy, and then under proxy type, select SOC 5. You can see. Then after that, under the proxy server, that's where we are going to paste the proxy we copied. So just paste, and it's going to fill it there like this. You can see, and that is all. So after doing all of this, just click confirm, and it's going to save everything. So there's nothing to do here again. Just click on confirm, and that is it. You can see new task. So after doing this, you can click on start. So start means it's going to open a browser under this configuration for you to use. So it is on that browser that you can then start doing your task, open any website you want to open, and do whatever you want to do. So your browsing, all your activities will be under that IP address. So you can see the one I chose is what is showing here. Once you set it up like this, open a new tab on that browser, and then you can start browsing and doing any task you want to do. So let's say that particular IP now got spoiled, is no longer working. Just come back and stop it like this. Click on these three dots here, and then you see edit profile. So you have to go back to 9 proxy, forward another IP, copy the details, and come back here, follow the same procedure I explained earlier, and paste the proxy, and you save it again. All right, so that's it. If you have any question about this whole process, just drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to attend to you. And if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.